Hey, it's Chris from Rowe Dental Laboratory, and just a quick little tidbit about Rowe. We are a full-service dental laboratory, but one thing I want to cover today is doctors ask us, what are your crown options? So let's cover the 3 monolithic options that we have here at Rowe. We do have 2 different zirconia options in our TLZ and our ZRC, and then we have, of course, the option of their e.max crown, which I think everyone's familiar with. As far as records for these, we just need standard records, upper, lower, and bite. Very simple records. You can take those digitally and upload those through our portal, or you can connect to us through the digital scanner portal and send them through there, whatever works for you. Or of course, you can take your PVS records, pour up a model, and send those to us. As far as turnaround time, we have a couple different options. We have a model-free crown option. That's your fastest turnaround time if you send that in digitally, which is just 3 days in lab, and then we're shipping it out to you. If you send your PVS, we can do model-free with that as well. So you send your PVS, we digitize that in the lab. It goes through a whole digital process, and then that is a 4-day in-lab turnaround time. And then if you wanted to do just have models back to you, we'll pour the model up, we still digitize it, design everything internally here, and then we ship it back to you with a model. That's a 5-day turnaround time. As far as these zirconia options, going to have a couple videos on our TLZ versus ZRC, so check out those on our YouTube page, and please like the YouTube page, leave us any questions or comments in the section below, and view us at our website as well. Thank you.